Welcome to the Full Tracy Monday Night Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 5:08 p.m. That is Central Time. Today is February 24th. Well, the Nasdaq today was, I think, in just one word, indecisive. It gapped higher in early trading. It went straight down in the first hour of trading, messed around for a while, then undid about half of the decline, maybe a bit more than that, and then gave it all up in the last 15 minutes of trade to finish on a new low. So we can say that there's plenty of volatility, and the vacillation that we're seeing in sentiment, I think that is very much a gut reaction to what's coming out of the White House, and every utterance that President Trump seems to have is moving the market in a profound way. So today we had, for example, the fact that the Trump administration is saying that tariffs are going to proceed as planned. Then the Europeans came out and said, well, we're preparing our own counter tariffs. Then there was additional news about tariffs being imposed upon China, even more so than we've seen already. And then to cap it all off, there was the additional point that the USA refused to fall in line with the rest of the world in attributing primary blame for the war in Ukraine to Russia. So certainly lots of things to think about in here today. And we had quite a lot of pretty significant moves. So, for example, Microsoft has been spending a lot of money on artificial intelligence infrastructure. And there's emerging news that they've cancelled 2 of the leases on data centers that had been signed, or that they were in the process of signing. So that's significant in that they have been saying repeatedly, and it's a number that seems to be popping up almost daily in the news, which suggests that Microsoft's media department is very active in supporting it, is that Microsoft will be spending $80 billion in the fiscal year, up to the 30th of June. But they don't say how much they're going to spend in the next fiscal year, and they don't say how much of it they've already spent. And then we're not going to have an earnings announcement or an analyst call until the latter half of April. So there's going to be a lot of trading between now and then. And I think when we look at Microsoft, well, the share got all the way down to test the $400 area